furnace is kicking right now because it is below 40 something outside right now, below zero. See my head? This look like an egg shape because I have ponytail up here. There.
What?
Our Valentine's Day.
Oh yeah, quite the Valentine's Day.
It looks like pretty nice. It's sunny, but it is very, very cold right now. It's below zero. Yeah, and you are making snow? Is that what you're doing?
No, I'm just gonna throw my hot water away. Ready?
Okay. Oh my god! It's so pretty!
Yeah. Want to see it again?
Oh my god! Okay, what are you doing?
I'm gonna give the dog a drink of water.
So it's snow.
Turns into snow.
Yeah. We just came back from the wood where part of our Valentine's Day we celebrated in the wood. And I'm going to finish this Italian bread here. I have 2 of them today, so in case if I screwed up the first one, I have another one back up. my husband made hors d'oeuvre, appetizer or snacks, whatever how you call it. It's hors d'oeuvre for fancy word. So it is shrimp scampi with an Italian bread and homemade chip dip. Oop. Uh, and I really like this Italian bread with shrimp scampi. My favorite. You can dip the bread. You can dip the bread here and eat like that. Comments below if you want me to make a video for a full recipe for this Italian bread, focaccia, or my husband's shrimp scampi. Maybe we'll make a full video, a full recipe for that. So this is our Valentine's dinner, and we have, of course, prime rib. And if you have not seen yet our video of perfect prime rib, check it out later. And there is a juice here for the prime rib, and we have veggies here.